Hello boss. My name is Jagdish. Today we discussed about backhoe loader available in market. 5 top backhoe loader available which show in video. This video is help to you improve your business when you selection construction equipments. And also this video help to save your money by selecting machine which buy as per your application need. First is Tata Hitachi Shinrai Prime. This machine with 47 horsepower engine, 7,940 kilograms operating weight, 4,000 millimeter dig depth. Top 2 is Case 770 NXE. In this machine 49.5 horsepower engine, 7,930 kilograms operating weight and 4,000 millimeters maximum dig depth. Top 3 is Ace Axe 124. In this machine 49.5 horsepower engine, 7,910 kilograms operating weight and 4,250 millimeters maximum dig depth. Top 4 is Mahindra SX Smart 50. In this machine 49.5 horsepower engine, 7,586 kilograms operating weight and 48,540 millimeters maximum dig depth. Top 5 is JCB 3DX. In this machine 49 horsepower engine, 7,510 kilograms operating weight and 4,779 millimeters maximum dig depth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.